Hello viewers, welcome back to the lab. This is going to be a cleaning and restoration video on this Quantel graphics tablet that dates from the mid-90s. Would have been used on the Quantel paint box, also with the other machines as well, like the Quantel edit box, Henry, HAL, all that sort of stuff. So this is a mid-1990s tablet. It's pretty grotty, as you can see. We've got stickers and stuff on it, and it's really grimy. In the grooves in here, there's just like, ew. It's been well used. You can see here, it's probably been used by somebody who's right-handed, because just along this bit here, it's worn smooth. So this has certainly seen a lot of use. So yeah, it is absolutely. It's been obviously well used and then stored in a not great environment. So we are actually missing one of the rubber feet off the back as well. So those will probably need replacing. Unfortunately, I don't have any way of replacing these plastic covers yet. This one. It is a bit scratched, but we'll see how it cleans up and see how bad it actually is. For those that are interested, these are actually manufactured by Wacom, so very well known maker of graphics tablets. Quantel used them for quite a long period of time, certainly from the early 1990s all the way through. The particular model that this one is a UD1218R. Let's just turn this up so you can see. So yeah, UD1218R, which means it's the 12 by 18, and R means it's serial. So what Quantel did was just make a custom cable to connect this tablet to their interface box. So what we're going to do, we're going to completely strip this down. This will have to stay on because it's actually stuck on with some very strong double-sided tape, and I would imagine trying to peel it off would just crease the actual plastic, so I wouldn't be able to put it back on. So that will have to stay in situ, but the rest of it I'm going to disassemble so I can wash and clean it properly. This should just lift out. There we go, the digitizer panel for the Wacom. Enormous PCBs. The interface board. So this should be pretty easy to clean. This will probably take a little bit of effort to take off, because I'm probably going to have to try and peel this off before I go wash it, because it is actually plastic tape, so that's going to need removing first, and of course we need to get rid of all the glue, but it should be relatively easy to clean. I'll just go and probably use some kitchen cleaner and some magic erasers. Okay, that's the glue and the tape removed. Maybe just a tiny little bit of residue left, but it needs to be cleaned properly yet anyway, so That's all good. Now, time to go give it a bath and a very good scrub. So, we're back from cleaning and it's come up rather well, actually. Quite pleased with this. I mean, it's still got a few little nicks and stuff in it, scratches, and it's still worn smooth, but the grime is gone. And thankfully now this is cleaned up. This is actually in not too bad condition, to be honest. So similar on the back. So yes, as you can see, it looks a lot cleaner. Okay, so all I need to do now is put it back together. So I guess we better give it some kind of test. Yeah, cursor on screen, swipes. Yep, seems to be working fine. So that's another nicely restored Quantel tablet. So yeah, excellent. It's all nicely restored, ready to be used again. Okay, thanks to all my patrons, all the likes and support. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.